Hey, good, great people. Listen, wanted to give you a word of encouragement for today. When you are on your journey, on your way to your vision, and you have a clear view, you cannot allow anyone else to come in and speak negatively against what you are doing. You can't take it in because you don't want to distort your own thinking. You don't want to second guess yourself. There's nothing wrong with analyzing yourself, seeing where you're at, coming to the conclusion, yes, I believe in myself, and yes, there are obstacles that I'm going to have to face. But for someone to come in and stomp on your dream, put water on your fire, they are violating your right to freedom of thought, freedom to have what it is that God has imparted within you, and you have the right and the ability to get them out of your space. So, for all of you space invaders, get out of my space and get in your own space. Come on, say it with me. Get out of my space and get in your own space. See you next time, good, great people.